going into 2026, 24/7 live streaming is no longer an experiment. It's a real working format. Gyre went through this year alongside creators, teams, and companies at different scales, but with one shared requirement. Stability must be guaranteed. Stable, controlled streams allow content to work without downtime and without losses caused by technical or operational failures. Thank you for choosing Gyre. We will keep holding this standard, keep developing the platform, and keep delivering the quality you can rely on. We're moving forward, and 2026 will be even more exciting. The Gyre team sincerely wishes you a warm holiday season, stable streams, and a confident start to 2026. Thank you to the creators, teams, and partners who experimented, launched and restarted streams, shared feedback, and helped us improve Gyre every day. May your content work for you, and we'll take care of the reliable technical side. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
What's Gyre? Gyre is the tool for launching continuous streams on YouTube. Learn more about Gyre in the following videos. See you there.